everyone, you're watching Twin Birds. For this recipe, we will need 10 hibiscus flowers, 10 butterfly sweet pea flowers, lemon sugar syrup, sugar, carbonated water. Add butterfly sweet pea flowers to make a tea and add hibiscus flowers. Then add water to the flowers to make the tea. We are adding around 300 ml water. When the tea is ready, now add lemon syrup and lemons to glass. Add some sugar syrup. Add ice cubes. We can now sweeten the tea as much as sugar we desire. Now we can pour the hibiscus tea into the glass. Then add carbonated water or soda. Then add butterfly sweet pea tea. Garnish with some mint leaves and lemon. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.